Financial markets flashed warning signs last week of growing economic uncertainty. CBS News senior national correspondent Mark Strassmann reports from Atlanta.
Inflation stubbornly above 8%. The Dow ending this week below 30,000, vanished nearly 2 years of gains. Interest rates up 3 points in 6 months. And worse, we're all flying blind here.
No one knows with any certainty where the economy will be a year or more from now.
That uncertainty's now hitting us where we live.
I do like these cabinets.
In America's worsening housing crunch. Over that 2-year feeding frenzy to overpay. Many buyers shudder at mortgage rates above 6%, the highest in 14 years.
What's even more significant is how much sellers are pulling back. If you borrowed money at 3% to buy a house, you're never going to leave.
Another issue, so-called shelter inflation. Surging home prices and rents racing faster than wages.
We're going to be feeling this. It's not just one part of the country, it's almost all parts of the country.
Moody's Analytics says more than half of America's largest regional markets are significantly overvalued by 25% or more. 210 out of 413 markets, many pandemic boom towns. Moody's number one, Boise. Home prices 72% too high. Other overvalued areas, Austin, Charlotte, Las Vegas, and Phoenix.
I expect national house prices nationwide, across all these markets, to probably fall about 10% peak to trough, over the next year or two.
Housing's notoriously cyclical. What goes up must come down. In a recession, expect the law of gravity here to kick in with a vengeance. Moody's predicts home value declines could double. For now, few experts predict a housing crash, a plunge in home values as deep and painful as in the Great Recession. But in much of America, affordable housing's an ongoing crisis. Many experts say that should improve slowly if the Fed can nudge supply and demand into a healthier place and confidence in the economy can find a new home of its own.
The sales volume is going to be low. Prices are going to come down some, but the bottom isn't going to fall out of the market.